Let's continue with more questions. How will you bring about the following conversions in not more than two steps? First, we want propanone to propene, benzoic acid to benzaldehyde, ethanol to 3-hydroxybutanol, benzene to metanitroacetophenone, benzaldehyde to benzophenone, bromobenzene to 1-phenylethanol, benzaldehyde to 3-phenyl propane 1-ol, benzaldehyde to alpha hydroxyphenyl acetic acid, and benzoic acid to metanitrobenzyl alcohol. Propanone to propene, first we reduce it to propanol. With the help of lithium aluminum hydride, we will get propane 2-ol. After reduction, we want to carry out dehydration. OH from air, H from air will be removed. We get propene using concentrated sulfuric acid. On heating will give us propene. Second is from benzoic acid to benzaldehyde. Now, if you try to reduce benzoic acid directly, it may reduce to benzyl alcohol. So, the best way is convert it into benzoyl chloride first with the help of PCl5 or thionyl chloride, SOCl2, or even PCl3 can be used. So benzoic acid will change to benzoyl chloride. And now we use Rosenmund reaction, reduce with hydrogen using platinum and BaSO4 and small amount of sulfur. Quinoline is used as a solvent and product formed is benzaldehyde. We want to convert ethanol to 3-hydroxybutanol. So the first step is to convert ethyl alcohol to aldehyde first, acetaldehyde first. And acetaldehyde 2 moles will undergo aldol condensation in the presence of OH ion, and we will get 3-hydroxybutanol. Benzene to metanitroacetophenone means first step we get acetophenone by Friedel-Crafts acylation. So benzene is treated with CH3COCl, acetyl chloride in presence of AlCl3. Instead of acetyl chloride, we can also use acetic anhydride. Product formed will be acetophenone, which reacts with concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. Keto group CH3COCH3 group being meta-directing, we get meta-nitroacetophenone as the product. We want benzaldehyde to benzophenone in two steps. First step is oxidize it with acidified KMnO4, we will get benzoic acid. Now benzoic acid is being treated with calcium hydroxide so that we get calcium benzoate, and calcium benzoate on dry distillation will give benzophenone plus calcium carbonate will be removed. Next conversion is bromobenzene to 1-phenyl ethanol. So first we convert into Grignard reagent. By treating with magnesium, we will get phenyl magnesium bromide. We treat it with acetaldehyde and hydrolysis in the same step. This is considered as same step because we can treat with acetaldehyde followed by hydrolysis. We will get 1-phenyl ethanol. So phenyl magnesium bromide, MgBr will attack oxygen which is negatively charged, and phenyl group will attach this carbonyl carbon. We will get this intermediate which on hydrolysis gives corresponding alcohol. So this compound is 1-phenyl ethanol. Benzaldehyde to 3-phenyl propane 1-ol. In the first step, we are condensing it with acetaldehyde in the presence of sodium ethoxide, which generates a strong nucleophile. This is called Claisen condensation. It results in the formation of cinemaldehyde. On heating, dehydration will also take place. First, aldol condensation or Claisen condensation is the exact word, and followed by dehydration gives you cinemaldehyde. Now we want a reduced product, so we reduce it with hydrogen and nickel. Aldehyde group gets reduced to alcohol, and double bond is also reduced to single bond with the help of hydrogen and nickel. Product formed is 3-phenyl propane 1-ol. Next conversion, we want benzaldehyde to alpha hydroxyphenyl acetic acid. So first we are reacting it with HCN. Nucleophilic addition reaction will take place with benzaldehyde. We will get benzaldehyde cyanohydrin. And cyanide group on acidic hydrolysis gives carboxylic acid. So this is alpha hydroxyphenyl acetic acid. Benzoic acid to metanitrobenzyl alcohol. First step is carry out nitration by using nitro group, and if we reduce it directly with lithium aluminum hydride, we will get benzyl alcohol. We can also directly use sodium borohydride, we will get metanitrobenzyl alcohol. If you are asked to do it in 3 steps, then you convert it into benzoyl, meta-nitrobenzoyl chloride first and then reduce it to get meta-nitrobenzyl alcohol. In 2 steps, this is the you can do directly reduction in and this step with sodium borohydride followed by hydrolysis to get meta-nitrobenzyl alcohol. Next, we have to do describe the following is the acetylation, Cannizzaro reaction, cross-aldol condensation, and decarboxylation. Acetylation means when alcohol or phenol or aniline reacts with acetyl chloride in presence of pyridine, we will get ethyl acetate plus HCl is formed. Cl from here, H from here is removed, we get ethyl acetate. Acetylating agent can be acetic anhydride also. So acetic anhydride when reacts with ethyl alcohol, again we get ethyl acetate. Side product is changed, which is ethanoic acid in this time. In Cannizzaro reaction, it only those aldehydes which do not have alpha hydrogen like formaldehyde undergoes Cannizzaro reaction in presence of concentrated NaOH or 50% NaOH. It gives HCOONA plus methyl alcohol. Cross-aldol condensation is given by different aldehydes or ketones, but they must have alpha hydrogen. They condense in presence of dilute NaOH and 4 products will be obtained. Here we have taken mixture of ethanol and propanol. In presence of dilute NaOH, we get these 4 products which I have explained earlier also. First one will be CH3, CHOH, CH2, CHO. Second will be this product is formed by reaction of 2 moles of acetaldehyde. This product is formed by 2 moles of propanol, CH3, CH2, CHOH, CH, CH3, CHO. This product is formed when propanol forms carbanion ion and attacks acetaldehyde, CH3, CHOH, CH, CH3, CHO. This product is formed when acetaldehyde forms carbanion ion and attacks propanol. So we get this product. Decarboxylation means removal of carbon dioxide from sodium salt of acid. Sodium acetate is heated with soda lime. We get methane plus sodium carbonate.